So today I'm going to be playing around with some color. If you've been following me a while, you'll know I love playing with color. I'm not a color expert, but I love to watch and see what the color movements are. I don't like to call them trends because they're not trendy. They're just basically a story of what's happening out in the world based on the language of color. Pantone provides us with a lot of that information, but I use a lot of other color resources and blogs and resources from other color experts as well to look and see what's going on, make my own color palettes, and provide you with those to help you with your projects and help you stay relevant and so forth. So today I'm going to be working on reproducing Viva Magenta, the 2023 color that Pantone has announced as the color of the year. So you'll be seeing a lot of it out there, and it's really fun to try to reproduce these with watercolors. So I'm going to use a Viviva Colors pan set that is near and dear to me as well, just to see what the formula is and how close you can get, because you'll probably have you might have different paints than I do, and I want you to be able to reproduce it as closely as you can with the paints that you have. So these, just to clarify, these will be approximations. I'm not a color expert, but I want to show you how close we can get using different paints just by looking at the color and trying to identify what's in that color. I hope you've enjoyed discovering the 2023 Pantone color of the year, Viva Magenta. If you research this color, use hashtag Magentaverse that Pantone started. It will keep you up to date on how this color is being used. It's a color that will be in fashion collections, interior design, and even automotive design. This color will be on magazine covers and in graphic design projects. I would love to know where you're seeing this color out in your world. It's always such a wonderful challenge to see how close we can get to a color with watercolors, and it's great practice. It will definitely get you closer to mastering color mixing and color in general. When you've done your swatch, I hope you share your image in the Facebook group. I can't wait to see what you've come up with.